Travel itinerary. English Book 1, Unit 2, Task 3, Planning the Trip. Yo y Lorena Cuevas. Introduction of the place. Taoromena Casanare is located in the eastern plains of Colombia, in the west of the country, relatively close to the country's capital, Bogota, D.C. It has a temperate climate surrounded by a lot of nature and therefore amazing place to visit, such as waterfalls, mountains, hills with incredible views and rivers and streams to enjoy. Duration of the trip. The trip will last 3 days with its night. Means of transportation. The means of transportation will include from motorcycles, cars, and bicycles. It should be noted that the walks are also included in the trip. Activities to do. The first day there will be an excursion through one of the most beautiful landscapes of the municipality. The Sambo waterfall is located about 15 minutes by car from the town center. Already at night, a bonfire is scheduled in which stories of the Llanera culture, myths, and legends will be shared so that visitors can learn about them and their charm. The second day will be dedicated to the visit of the Aguamaco Hill, a place where you can walk until you reach the indicated destination, from which you can see an incredible view of the municipality and its surroundings, and at night you will be part of a organized Llanero party for visitors. And finally, on the third day, you will learn firsthand the traditions of and culture of the Llanos, attending a presentation of the native sport par excellence of the Casanareños, Toros Coleados. On the night of the first day, there will be a presentation of music genre offered by local place to stay. Has only one municipality will be known on this trip. The accommodation will consist of hotels in the urban area of the municipality. Typical foods. In the Llano Colombiano, you can enjoy carne a la llanera, a meal consisting of beef accompanied by cooked potatoes, yuca, and plátano. As drinks, you can find masato, and fermented drink called guarapo, and something a little strong called chicha. Cost. The tour will cost 2 million Colombian pesos. This is images of Taoromena Casanare. El dance, places, drink, food. We are waiting for you in Taoromena Casanare. Thank you.